Good morning. Happy Sunday, the day I was born. As you're already seeing from the title, this is gonna be a get ready with me for a long day. We're doing a staycation today. We're filming content today. That's a lot going on, so stay tuned for that. So some of the activities planned for today: a spa. I'm also gonna be doing a photography walk in my devotion. I'm gonna be watching a lot of movies because why not? It's a staycation. I'm also gonna be showing you guys what the hotel looks like, the room tour, all that good stuff. So if you're ready to start my day with me, let's get it going. So you guys are gonna be joining me on my morning devotion. I'm gonna do my morning devotion and then I'm gonna share to you guys what I learned today. So for my morning devotion, I always use this right here, the 3-minute devotion for women. So this, I feel like I just started this book, by the way. I'm on like day 20. Let's see. I'm on day 24. So this book is dedicated for women. So which means that everything that is teaching you, it uses the Bible quotations to help you kind of build yourself into the woman of God that you're meant to be and I'm meant to be. So that's why I love this book so much. I got this book from Hobby Lobby. If you know Hobby Lobby, when you enter Hobby Lobby, it's like a Christian decoration store. They always play gospel music in Hobby Lobby. If you haven't realized, it's usually hymnals playing every time, and I love it. I just love the atmosphere of Hobby Lobby. But I got this from Hobby Lobby, so that's what I use for my morning devotion every time. My devotion was based on Leviticus chapter 19 verse 16, and it talks about gossip. So let's read what it says in the King James Version. It says, "Thou shalt not go up and down as a table bearer among thy people, neither shalt thou stand against the blood of thy neighbor. I am the Lord." So a table bearer is somebody who gossips, basically. And it talks about how God hates gossip, and also God is not fooled when we attempt to make gossip seem like we care about this person. Like, you know how some people will be talking about somebody and like, oh, I'm only sharing this with you because I'm worried about them and I care about them. Yeah, no. God is not fooled by that. He sees right through you. He sees right through us. So that's still gossiping about somebody. And one thing that is said that kind of made me, a little bit was talk about how it's funny how the people that we usually gossip about are close friends, husbands, family, and we claim to love them so much. Then why do we gossip about them? That's the irony of life. Like, we gossip about people that we actually care about. They also talk about how gossip is often as deadly as murder. So if you're gonna gossip about someone, you might as well kill that person because it's on the same level, basically. I mean, open communication with your spouse is good and great, but when it turns into, oh, you're talking about somebody to your husband, they always say gossiping with your spouse is the best type of gossip. Well, it's time for it to be the worst because that's bad. Time to go take a shower so I can get ready, do my skincare, do my makeup. I'll be back. I'm back after a quick shower. Now we're gonna get into my morning skincare routine. So I already washed my face, which is why I probably look like, a ghost right now. And I use kojic acid as my cleanser. It's the bar soap I use for my face and my whole body as well, because it has a brightening effect, which brightens your whole face. I will grab it and show it to you guys, but it's in my bathroom and it's a bar and it's wet, so I don't want to touch it with my dry hands. You get the vibes. So we're gonna go ahead and go with, I love my face air dry. It's an upcoming pimple, as you can probably see from here. So I don't know, I've just been breaking out a lot lately. I'm gonna use the Hyper Even. It's the brightening dark spot serum. As you can see, I have a lot of dark spots on my face, so we're gonna use that to get rid of them. Hopefully, they promise to get rid of dark spot in 30 days. So you guys want an update in 30 days to see how my skin looks like? I don't mind. I used to be someone who never gets acne, but then I don't know what happened. If I jinxed it, I don't know, something and my skincare broke, and now I have an acne skin. We're gonna figure it out so we can get rid of all of the acne on my face. Well, the upcoming ones, mostly. I know obviously you can't cure acne forever, so here and there you're gonna have some breakouts. It's just a matter of how frequently they happen lately, Since we're gonna be doing a little bit of makeup, I'm gonna be wearing my snail mucin to give my skin a little, you know what I mean? Like, when your face has the gooey effects, it's easier for makeup to attach to it, if that makes sense. We're gonna use the snail mucin. Who doesn't know snail mucin? You know where to find it. Sephora, Ulta, it's everywhere. Lastly, we're gonna seal everything in with my Pond's. This is the dark spot correcting cream. You can get it pretty much anywhere, CVS, Walmart. This is what our great-grandparents used to use, and it worked wonders for them. So I'm gonna stick beside it. I know some people don't like it because they're like, it smells like a grandma. Well, if it was working for the grandmas, it's gonna work for us too. Now that we have the moisturizer in, guess what we're gonna go ahead with next? Sunscreen. I'm gonna use my Daily UV Spectrum by Innisfree 36 SPF. This is like one of the sunscreens that I got as a brand deal, but actually love, because as a black girl, you can already tell like when sunscreen is giving you that little white cast. We don't want that. Yeah. This does not do that. And this Korean skincare. You know what Korean skincare does to the skin? I don't have to keep going on. This is not even a sponsored ad, by the way. Like, I did this brand a year ago, so it's not sponsored. I'm just saying, like, I still use it till this day, and I have lots of it because I got it from my brand, so it came with samples, all of that good stuff, and that's something that I still use till this day because of how good it was for my skin. Like, do you see that? When I do this, it melts into my skin. You don't have to keep rubbing it in like 15 billion times on the other sunscreen just to make it black friendly. No, you just have to do melting. Now that my face is prepped and ready for makeup, let's go sit at my makeup desk and get this makeup done, because I'm gonna so the reason why I'm doing my makeup is because I'm gonna be filming a hotel tour of the place. That's why. Basically, you guys see my real estate videos where I tour homes and hotels as well, so I'm gonna be filming the tour of this hotel, which is one of Midwest's best luxury hotels as well, so don't sleep on it. Okay, so my tripod died in the middle of filming my makeup routine, so luckily I was able to tell you guys the whole story before my camera died. So this is the full face of makeup. What do you guys think? I did my hair as well while I was waiting. My forehead is looking banging in this one, but you know, did a little curls on the side. I didn't do my edges because, yeah, I don't want to do my edges, because when you do your edges, the taking off process is a lot. So I didn't do my edges, but if you guys like it, I'm also dressed up. Here is the fit. Here is the fit for the staycation. This one I'm gonna be checking in with. You guys like it? I like it. All right, so I'm gonna head to the hotel, go check in, go upstairs, get ready into what I'm gonna wear at the hotel, to tour the hotel, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna wear as well. I've been packing while you guys have been gone. I had a few stuff in here, my pajamas. So I have this dress that I'm gonna wear. It's a long dress. You guys are gonna see when I wear it. Well, are you gonna see? I don't know. That's what I'm gonna be wearing to tour the hotel. I can't wait for you guys to see it though. I'm also bringing my skincare stuff because I'm gonna be doing skincare. I am all set to finally get going, so let's go check in at the hotel. Surprise, surprise. I already checked in. I didn't show you guys the check-in process because it was a lot, but I already checked in. I'm in here. I can't wait to show you guys what this place looks like. Like, look at this. I have a massage booked in an hour, so I have to get ready for my massage. But before that, I'm gonna give you guys like a quick little tour. I'm actually gonna film a separate tour video showing you guys what the hotel looks like, the amenities. They have a yoga station. They also have a spa here. They even have cosmetic surgery in this hotel. So that will all be in my next video, which I've already posted. It's a tour of this place, so go check that video out if you haven't already. They actually have a robe for me. You know, like, what's a hotel without a robe? That's how you know that's luxury. Anyways, I can't wait to relax, unwind. I'm also gonna film a morning routine. Let me sit in this chair real quick. I'm also gonna be filming a self-care routine that I'm gonna be doing here because I want to try as much as possible to be phone free while I'm here and just enjoy the moments and truly enjoy my solo staycation. So if you're interested in that, so I'm gonna be posting that video next week actually, so stay tuned for that, and of course I'm gonna see you in my next video. Alright, time to go watch some TV and also get ready for my spa, get ready for that massage because God knows my body needs it. See you guys in my next video.